Welcome back to Product Critique,
your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews.
Today, we're diving into the world of automotive lighting with what we consider the best H8 bulb available in the market. The Alla Lighting Super Bright H8 H11 LED Fog Lights Bulbs. Let's shed some light on why this product stands out from the crowd. First things first, let's talk about brightness. With a whopping 2,800 lumens per bulb, these LEDs are like miniature suns illuminating the road ahead. Whether you're navigating through foggy conditions or simply want to enhance your vehicle's visibility, these bulbs have got you covered. But brightness alone isn't enough.
These bulbs are also engineered for longevity and reliability. With a lifespan of up to 30,000 hours, you can trust that they'll keep shining bright mile after mile. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: installation.
Thankfully, Alla Lighting has made it a breeze.
These bulbs are plug-and-play for most vehicles, making the upgrade process as simple as possible.
Plus, with their non-polarity design, you won't have to worry about getting the orientation right. What sets these bulbs apart from the competition? For starters,
they're equipped with 33 high-power 5730 Cree LED chips, ensuring maximum illumination and coverage.
Plus, the built-in smart IC driver and waterproof design guarantee top-notch performance in any weather conditions. Let's compare these bulbs to some alternatives on the market.
As you can see, the Alla Lighting H8 H11 LED Fog Lights bulbs outshine the competition in terms of brightness, ease of installation, and overall value.
In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, high-performance lighting solution for your vehicle, look no further than the Alla Lighting Super Bright H8 H11 LED Fog Lights bulbs.
With their impressive brightness, easy installation, and unbeatable value, they're a clear winner in our book. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, drive safe and stay illuminated.